Alright guys, look, I'm getting my Birria's meat ready. So I've already prepped it. I got my short ribs in here with my roast. I have my fresh garlic. I have a whole onion and 2 Roman tomatoes. I got aunties all about being a little extra. So, I had a little extra splash of black pepper in here with a little bit of extra teeny bit of salt. So I cannot wait. So instead of me standing over the stove tomorrow morning for a couple of hours, I put mine in a crock pot. So this is going to cook all night. So I'm going to have all that great beef stock to make my adobo sauce with. So I will check you guys out in the morning. Stay tuned. This is going to be really, really good. So I will see you guys in the morning. So just letting you know, stay tuned. So tomorrow we're going to be having some Birrias. I don't know how to roll my R's. Let me try this. But it is Birrias tacos. Okay, my Latin subs. Don't beat me up. So we're going to be having that, and I'm going to be doing a Mexican avocado tomato salad with my avocado lime dressing. And I'm also going to be making some churros. Okay, so we're going to be having a great dinner with my daughter-in-law's parents and her aunt. So we're going to be having a great time tomorrow. So stay tuned. Guys, I needed this week. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.